Hello, I'm Loie Boero, President of the Redmond Community Concert Association. I'm pleased to announce our lineup for the 2014-15 concert season. This series of 5 concerts, which runs from October through April, will consist of a variety of talented artists on tour. Here's a look at our lineup. Subscribe now. The season of 5 concerts is just $60 for adults, $25 for students, and $125 for a family with students.